We are set up, and our view for the night would be so. Scanda's already set up the chairs for us, and of course the warmth that we desperately need. It's almost July in Canada, and it's 17, I believe, today. It's a cooler night. Hi, Urza. Are you stuck? Is Urza stuck? How? You stuck behind the tree? Okay. Let's rescue Urza. Oh, God. She did a full wrap around the tree. Okay, go. She's free now. Go. Urza's free. We wanted to enjoy the fire before it gets dark. And Luna going with the axe, hunting for wood. Where are you going? All the way down? Oh. Urza is with mommy because Urza still needs a little bit more training. Urza, come. Come back together. They hunted some wood.
There's plenty of wood, but...
Look at Luna. She's such a good girl, huh?
Yeah,
huh? She followed you. And Luna is all tucked away. See how fast you did that. So it's dinner / lunchtime, and look at this.
Yeah, the fire, solar fire.
Oh, we got.
It's just dying a little bit.
And the dogs are here. So dinner is done. Heading for a walk now. The other site we checked out. So whoever stayed here had a fire pit. And we just discovered there is a toilet set up here. It's a nice setup. It's like an actual washroom, private, but around the trees. It's a box with a toilet. Coming back, we found some wood.
Firewood from another side.
And Skanda decided, why not? Let's use it. We're heading towards the RV now. What are we gonna do with the sea tonight? What's the plan before it gets dark? S'mores. I love it. There's a weird tiny mishap that happened, guys.
Okay, good.
So we went for a walk and we decided to sit and get some fire going again. Look at the water.
Yeah.
Look at the water.
Water or what is it? Oh, heat stack.
It's like a sap.
Yeah, sap.
Texture. And it's very sandy. It's marshmallow time before bed, I guess. Ooh, that is really nice looking. That's really nice looking. Yours.
Looks like some Mexican.
Yeah, looks like meat piece.
Roasted.
So it's tea time and we have our bug screen on because there's more privacy since it's crownland. Hoping to see some bears or deer or moose. So using the wild strawberries we picked yesterday to make our parfait, just picking the stems off of those that have the stems, and yeah, wild strawberry parfait. So it's morning breakfast time. Fire, coffee, and we have a visitor. There's someone visiting us. Actually, seems like there might be a family visiting us. Skanda is a butterfly aquarium today. Oh, a butterfly.
They only
What?
like me.
They're family. They're in love with you. Oh.
What's it doing?
Oh, yeah, that one too. Beautiful one. Look at that. Like when they open up the wings,
Yeah, they both the
they're
same.
family. This one is in love with your fingers.
Yeah.
It's trying to take
Pollen.
pollen. Yeah, he's digging. She's digging. He or she. This is the underside. So the butterfly is hanging upside down on you. Okay, so we're done one night over here. Heading back out and see if we can scout another place. What's your plan? Is that the plan?
Yeah, let's go and hunt for another crown landing.
Are we going right or left?
We're going
Left.
left for now and come back and go right.
Trout's Pond Lake. It's like a small cottage neighborhood.
Okay.
Skanda, doesn't this feel like you're in a different country?
Yeah.
So guys, this is another crownland that's perfect for camping. This is a huge spot. It looks like at least 2 to 3 group has stayed here. There is a fire pit set up over here. Here there's a fire pit set up for this spot. And then if you come over here, there's a huge field that's been, there's no trees here, that's been set up. There's a fire pit here, and there's actually vehicle tracks here, so our vehicles have backed up here and stayed. That's evident. And then there's another fire pit over here that's been used. And definitely there's access to water. We hear the running water on the left side. And we'll go down and show you guys where the water is. So definitely you can get some water, because we realized as we stayed at the other side that having some running water is really helpful.
So there is some water, a small creek running between that down between the valley. It's hard to walk by down, but this, if you walk, this is accessible if you find a way to clear this path. Doesn't look like anybody has come yet for this season. So, but definitely people has come in the past. You can see the tire marks, some vehicle tire marks right up here.
But you can give the van a wash.
Sit and walk.
Shallow. We see another branch blocking our way.
Oh,
the
it's
news.
an ATV pathway.
Oh.
Only ATV can go because there is a big ditch and then there's a stream running.
Oh.
That'll go up.
Do we know where we're going?
Yes, they know.
Feels like we're going on a roller coaster. Another place that he went to scout.
Yeah, you can go halfway. After that, there is a dip, and then there is a
So
bigger
no
water
direct
body.
access to water.
No, I didn't see the water because
Oh.
it's keep going up,
Okay.
uphill,
Mhm.
and then but you can take a risk and you can go, but then it's only a ATV can go. It's a dip. There's a water puddle, bigger water puddle, dip, muddy, so the van wouldn't go through that.
Okay. Another one. Let's
Yeah.
get going. There's someone blocking our way. Looks like a wild chicken. Have an obstruction again. And our man has gone to clear the way for us. Oh, he goes. There he does it. Whoa. Good for him. What would we do without him? He's like, I'm going to find the root. Going to cut down the whole tree. No. He's like, I don't know. She's got me on camera and I need to figure out a way to do this. Knowing him, he's gonna make this happen. Worst case, he's got his chainsaw. There we go. We knew it. We knew he could do it. We knew it. Luna has taken over his seat.
Okay.
That was a mission.
Yeah, that was enough.
We parked. We're gonna check out this access to the lake. See how it is. We can back our RV in here. Wow. Nicely built up fire pit. Somebody actually took time. There was somebody here not too long ago. Crystalline lake. Crystalline lake. It's a beautiful crystalline lake. We found a canoe laying around. Skander's checking it out. Right now we are going down to the pathway that leads to Roger Lake. Ooh, a lot of puddles. Can we go through? Can we go through these?
Think we don't have a turning spot?
I don't know. This is like a little river here.
Don't know how deep is that. Wait, sit down.
How?
See.
You need a stick.
Stick.
Skander's going to find a stick and try to figure out how soft and how deep this puddle over here is. He found a stick. There, he's testing the depth of the puddles. Based on what I'm seeing, it seems to be okay. Too muddy. This is leading to Roger Lake. There's somebody already camped here, but this is a great spot. It's almost like a private property with lake access. Big, huge fire pit.
Yeah, this one is a little bit more accurate.
This is great access. And this is a must for us. So we're going to back out of here. There's really, we have to go further down into where those people are camping to turn around. So we don't want to disturb those crownland campers. So we're backing out. There is a group of butterflies just hanging out. How? You know, like this whole area is infested with this butterfly.